I want to share with you a fascinating way to earn over $3,000 per month using AI-generated music. This method requires no musical skills and no expensive tools, just the power of AI. Let's dive into how you can replicate this success. First, take a moment to listen to the music.
Stress, came up from the bottom, now they looking like they pressed, diamonds do the chop, bitch be talking salsa, pockets looking swole, yeah, my body doing CrossFit. I'm a millionaire, yeah, count it up, that's big facts. Flexing with the team, tell them watch how we react. Penthouse view, champagne, that's over cap. 100 on the dash, in no knife, I leave was bad. Now I'm tripping like a busted faucet. Money coming, celebrate to make deposits. 10 carats dancing on my chain like it's a mosh pit.
What are your thoughts? The voice is incredibly realistic, and the overall quality is impressive. In fact, some people find it even better than Suno AI. There's a YouTube channel that started just 5 months ago and has already seen significant success. They've uploaded only 26 videos, but gained 80,000 views in the last 30 days. Posting 1 hour-long AI-generated music videos. It's a simple yet effective approach. I'm going to show you how to create AI-generated music using Riffusion.com and make over $3,000. Go to Riffusion AI. Click on the first link to access the main platform. Explore the dashboard. You will find featured playlists at the top. Scroll down to see staff picks, which include selections like AI Rap God, Double Trouble Strat Intro, and more. Sign in using your email. Alternatively, you can continue with Discord or use your phone number. Select I agree and continue. Choose a username to complete the sign-up process. Navigating the dashboard. Once logged in, you will see the same dashboard. Click on the input box where you will find 2 key options. Prompt box. Paste your song idea here. Compose box. Set your lyrics and sound preferences. Generating music. In the description box, you will find a pre-written prompt. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Modify the prompt as needed to suit your song style. Here, insert the song topic. Select your song style, such as freestyle. Choose an energy tone from available options like old school boom bap, trap, conscious rap, drill, West Coast G-funk, Southern chopped and screwed. Set the song mood based on your preference. Once all settings are adjusted, click Generate. ChatGPT will create a unique song lyric based on your input. Copy the generated lyrics. Paste the lyrics into Riffusion AI. Use the sound option to enhance your track. Return to ChatGPT and ask for song mood and vibe recommendations. ChatGPT will provide suitable sound ideas within seconds. Select the recommended sound style. Apply it to your lyrics. Now create an AI-generated image for your song. Click on the prompt image option. Enter a description of the image you want. For example, if your song is about a millionaire, you can type, "A millionaire rapper singing on stage." Alternatively, you can upload image. Click Generate, and within seconds, your image will be ready. Now finalizing your track, click Generate, and in just a few moments, your song will be ready. Download it. Now it's time to create music visualizers. A music visualizer is essential for enhancing your track, as it adds dynamic visuals that synchronize with the sound, making the listening experience more immersive. The section walks users through selecting a visualizer style, including waveform animations, spectrum analyzers, 3D effects, and abstract designs. Visit tuneform.com and navigate to the music visualizer section. Click on Create Now to access various demo templates. These demos are unique and will help you visualize your music in different styles. Choose the perfect visualizer for your song. Upload your audio file and confirm by selecting Yes, the same file if prompted. Upload your album art file. Adjust the taper edges setting. You can turn it on or off based on your preference. Select a color scheme. Options include RGB, hex, or any custom color you like. Preview the final look of your visualizer output. Click Start Render. This process will take a few minutes. Once rendering is complete, click Go to Visualizer to view your final output. Download your visualizer and enjoy.